Now look student, theorem 6.4. If in two triangles sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of the other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal and hence the two triangles are similar. Now look here, two triangles, sides of one triangle are proportional to, which means in the same ratio and proportional to the other side of a triangle, and their corresponding angles are equal, and we have to prove that two triangles are similar. So let's have a look how to solve this one. Question number theorem 6.4. Now look student, theorem 6.4, this is a diagram as you can see in the video. Now the given part I am writing here. Now look, given part, actually student, the theorem 6.3, 6.4 and 6.5 having the same diagram. Now look, the given part, triangle ABC, and triangle DEF, in which AB by DE, then BC by EF, then CA by DF. This is the given part. Now to prove is triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. Okay, now next part is construction. Student, here also AB and DP and AC equal to DQ. If I cut this portion here, in place of DE, if I cut DP and DQ, DP is equal to AB and DQ is equal to AC. So we'll write here now the construction part. Look now, construction. If you cut DP equal to AB and DQ equal to AC, then we join PQ. Students, look the rough sketch here. Look, AB and DP and AQN, AB and DP, AC and DQ. Now look, after that student, one thing is that we have to prove that here triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. Student, let us take here in the part of construction that triangle ABC and triangle DEF such that AB by DE and BC by EF, then CA by DF, and here I am writing less than 1. Why? Now look in the diagram. Student, AB by D, which means if I divide by the side AB and DE, obviously from the diagram it is clear that the side of DE is bigger than AB, side of EF also bigger than BC, side of DF bigger than AC also. So if a smaller value divisible by bigger value, answer will be 0 point something. 0 point something means less than 1. Now look, after that the proof part I will start now here. Proof part. Now look, here I am writing student that AB by DE equal to, there is CA by DF. Now look here, after that if I write here, implies in place of AB if I write here DP by DE, and there is CA, in place of CA DQ by DF. Now look here, I will write that since AB equal to DP and AC equal to DQ from construction. From construction. Now look, student, here look the diagram. AB by DE here, AB by DE first one, and CA by DF. But from the construction part, as you can see in the video, DP is equal to AB. So in place of AB I have written here DP, and in place of CA I have written here DQ. Also the reason mentioned here. Now look, DP by DE, look here student, DP by DE and DQ by DF. As you can see, DP by DE and DQ by DF. So we can write here, that therefore PQ parallel to EF. Now DP by DE and DQ by DF, which means this is the converse of basic proportionality theorem. So PQ parallel to EF. Now look, if PQ parallel to EF, student, now in the diagram look here, if PQ parallel to EF, so angle P and angle E corresponding angles, angle Q and angle F corresponding angles. So here I will write, therefore angle P equal to angle E corresponding angles, and angle Q is equal to angle F. These also corresponding angles. Now look here, after that, student, so we can say here that since two angles here are equal, so triangle DPQ and triangle DEF, I repeat again, triangle DPQ and triangle DEF both are similar. So we'll write here now, therefore triangle DPQ similar triangle DEF. Here only two angles, so we'll write here now that by angle criteria. Student, don't forget, if we want to show that or prove that the similarity of a triangle, for the case of similarity, we may show the three reasons, or we may show the two reasons also. But if it is congruence, then we have to show the three different reasons. So if there is two reasons, and also if I write triangle DPQ similar triangle DEF, which means it is correct, not wrong. Now look the next part. Now student, look here, after that I am writing here, now look, I am writing here that DP by DE and PQ by EF. Look here in the diagram, DP by DE and PQ by EF. Why? Because triangle DPQ and triangle DEF similar. Just now I have shown you. So DP by DE and PQ by EF can be written. Why? Because corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. So we'll use that theorem here now. We'll write here that by the side that corresponding sides we'll write here now, corresponding sides of similar triangles, are proportional. So this is the reason. Now look, after that, student, so in place of DP I can write here AB also. In place of DP I can write AB also, and DE will be here, and PQ by EF. Now why I have written here DP is equal to AB? Look in the diagram. DP equal to AB by construction. So in place of DP I can write AB also. So here I will write here now, DP equal to AB from construction. from construction. Now look, after that, if I take this one as our equation number 1, now look in the next part. In the given part, AB by DE and BC by EF. Now look, we'll use that part only. But AB by DE equal to BC by EF. This is given part. Our equation number 2. Now from 1 and 2, which part is common? AB by DE common. So we'll write here that from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, PQ by EF and BC by EF. Now look student, EF cancel from both the sides. So we'll write here that PQ equal to BC. Now look in the diagram. PQ equal to BC. PQ equal to BC. PQ by EF and BC by EF. EF cancel from both the side. PQ equal to BC means PQ and BC are equal. Now look after that. So if PQ and BC are equal, so here we'll write that thus AB equal to DP, AC equal to DQ, and BC equal to PQ. Look in the diagram again. This part AB and DP and AC DQ from the construction part. Look, I'm showing you again. AB and DP from the construction, AC and DQ from the construction, but now we have proved that BC and PQ equal. Now look after that student. Therefore students, we'll write here that therefore triangle ABC, congruence triangle, DPQ, all sides equal. So we'll write here side criteria. Now look after that. Look student, triangle ABC and triangle DPQ congruent. So you can write here that therefore angle A equal to angle D, also CPCT, then angle B equal to angle P, also CPCT, then angle C equal to angle Q, C equal to Q, also CPCT. But in the diagram, P equal to E means corresponding angles. So in place of B here, we'll write here the student, but angle B equal to angle P, but P equal to what? E, corresponding angles. And here angle C equal to angle Q, obviously CPCT, but Q is equal to F, what? Corresponding angles. Already you have done or used this part in this theorem. So B equal to E, so implies here angle B equal to angle E, and here is implies angle C equal to angle F. So now look, A equal to D, B is equal to E, C is equal to F, which means in this triangle angle A equal to D, B is equal to E, C is equal to F, which means all are equiangular. If it is equiangular, means all angles are equal, which means it is a hence we can say that it is a similar. Now look here students, last line that therefore angle A equal to angle D, comma, angle B equal to angle E, comma, angle C is equal to angle F. So we'll write here thus the given triangles are equiangular, means all angles equal, equiangular, and hence similar. Therefore the last line, triangle ABC similar triangle DEF, hence proved. This theorem is quite different, and students, you will have to practice this one for the examination, and this theorem is also important, 6.4 theorem.